How to open PST file in Mozilla Thunderbird? Sometimes we need to access our Outlook PST files in the Thunderbird application. But as you may know, Thunderbird doesn't directly support PST file imports. Don't worry. In today's video, I'll walk you through 3 simple and effective methods to import your PST files into Thunderbird easily. Method 1. Import PST to Thunderbird manually via EML files. First, open your Outlook app. Here first, you will need to import your PST file. To do that, click on the File tab. Click on the Open and Export menu. Click on the Import or Export button. Select the Import from another program or file option and click on the Next button. Select Outlook Data File PST and click Next. Click on the Browse button. Select the PST file which you want to import and click on the Open button. Here, simply click on the Next button. Under the Select the Folder to Import from field, select any folder of your PST file. If you want to import the entire PST file, then just make sure to select the PST file or leave as it is, and finally click on the Finish button. Here you can see the folder I have selected from my PST file is successfully imported. All the emails are now on my Outlook account. Now we need to export these emails as EML files, but Outlook app doesn't support it. For that, let's access this same Outlook account through the Outlook web app. Here in the Outlook web app, open the same folder that you have previously imported on Outlook. Now simply open any email of that folder. Then click on the 3 dots icon. At the bottom, toggle the Download option and click on the Download as EML button. As a result, the email will be successfully downloaded as an EML file. Following the same procedure, download all the emails of the folder as EML files. Once you download all the emails as EML files, open your Thunderbird application. Here, simply right-click on the folder panel and then click on the New Folder option. Enter a name for the folder and click on the Create Folder button. You can see a new folder has been created. Now, simply drag and drop the EML files from your device's file manager to this Thunderbird folder. You can see the emails have been successfully saved into Thunderbird. So, this way you can import the emails of your PST files into Thunderbird. If you find this method quite difficult, then you can follow the next method. Method 2. Import PST to Thunderbird using IMAP configuration. In this method, an IMAP email client is needed to transfer emails. First, import the PST file into Outlook. Connect an IMAP email account on Outlook. Then on Outlook, copy all the folders and emails from the PST file to the IMAP email account. Finally, connect the same IMAP account to Thunderbird. By following these 4 steps, you can successfully migrate your PST files data into Thunderbird. Here, the IMAP email account is used as a transferring medium, because Outlook and Thunderbird don't support any direct configuration between themselves. As an IMAP email account, you can use Gmail, Yahoo Mail, or any other email servers that support IMAP. Method 3. Using the Regain PST to MBOX Converter software. The previously described methods are completely manual and quite time-consuming. So, in case you need to import PST files into Thunderbird frequently and in bulk, you can try out the Regain PST to MBOX Converter software. You can easily download the software from our official website. You can also enjoy a trial version. After you install and run the software, you will see this interface.
Here, click on the Browse button. Select the PST file and click on the Open button. Then click on the Add File button. Once the PST file is successfully imported on this software, you can preview all the folders. Then simply click on the Export button. Now again click on the Browse button and select a destination where you want to save the output MBOX file. Finally, click on the Save Now button. As a result, the MBOX file will be successfully saved on your device. And you can easily import this MBOX file on your Thunderbird app. That's all for today. I hope you have liked these 3 methods for opening or importing your PST files into Thunderbird app.